Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I am here today, with more gadgets for you. Here in today's video, you will see 5 cool must-have gadgets to make your life easier and fun. My guess is that, at least one of these cool gadgets, is your must-have. So let's check out, which one is that for you. This is Keychron K2 Wireless Bluetooth, or USB wired keyboard. A 75% layout with 84 keys RGB backlight compact Bluetooth mechanical keyboard and aluminum frame. The ultimate 10-keyless keyboard that retains shortcut and arrow keys. It connects with up to 3 devices with Bluetooth, and switches among them easily. With high reliable and broad compatibility Broadcom Bluetooth chipset, the K2 is best to fit the home, office, and light gaming use while connecting with your smartphone, laptop, and iPad. Its wired mode lets you connect your device with a USB Type-C connection. With a unique Mac layout, K2 has all necessary Mac function keys, while compatible with Windows, and comes with extra keycaps for both Windows and Mac. K2 can last up to 72 hours typing, or up to 7 days normal use with a 4000 mAh big battery, which is one of the biggest in a mechanical keyboard. Charming RGB backlight with elegant keycap legends helps to type in a DIME environment. You can also choose other static color backlight mode. Durable Gateron mechanical switch with 50 million keystroke lifespan, providing unrivaled tactile responsiveness on the clicky blue switch. K2 is a sleek, minimalist design mechanical keyboard. The link is provided in the description for more information or to order. This is DJI Osmo Mobile 3 Gimbal Combo. With a 3-axis gimbal that effectively reduces shaky footage, Osmo Mobile 3 delivers a super smooth, stabilized image. A lightweight, ultra-responsive design reacts to your movements in real time, letting you focus more on the moment at hand. A sleek, foldable design allows Osmo Mobile 3 to be taken anywhere. Weighing just 405 grams, it is portable, light, and incredibly convenient to toss in a backpack for your next adventure. Standby mode allows you to use your smartphone when the gimbal is folded, enabling you to start shooting again in no time. A comfortable grip fits perfectly in your palm, enabling you to create without limitations. A simple gesture is all it takes to snap a selfie, or begin recording. Both the front and rear camera can recognize gesture control, which makes shooting your solo travels and group shots a walk in the park. To capture scenes that require fast movement, simply press the trigger, make a gesture, or select a subject on your smartphone to start tracking. Dolly Zoom is a fantastic way to add an extra touch of cinematic flair to your footage. Osmo Mobile 3 is a foldable gimbal for smartphones with intelligent functions providing stable and smooth footage. The link is provided in the description for more information or to order. This is a pluggable USB 3.0 universal laptop docking station for Windows. Designed for those who want a one-stop upgrade for your USB 3.0 laptop. The pluggable USB 3.0 universal laptop docking station for Windows allows you to add dual monitors, and connect your peripherals, all through a single cable back to your laptop, and quickly come and go from your desk with ease. By connecting one cable to your laptop, you gain 11 extra ports of connectivity, making it easier to do more work in less time. This is the dock you need to maximize your productivity and your workspace. Great for business uses such as email, web applications, Microsoft Office, and more. Featuring a vertical design, you can easily slip this dock between your monitors and save valuable desk space. Conveniently access the front USB and audio ports for those devices you plug and unplug every day. It has one HDMI port and one DVI port, and comes with both a DVI to VGA adapter and a DVI to HDMI adapter if needed. Not only does this dock expand your connectivity, but it also brings a whole new level of performance and flexibility. Featuring DisplayLink graphic technology, you can connect this dock to a USB 3.0 Windows laptop. This docking station is a perfect one-stop upgrade for your Windows tablets, laptop, or desktop. The link is provided in the description for more information or to order. This is SCOSCHE MagicMount Pro. The #1 mount brand in the US, and maker of the original MagicMount system, proudly introduces MagicMount Pro. The revolutionary magnetic mounting system for smartphones, tablets and other mobile devices available in multiple designs, there is a MagicMount Pro for all of your mounting needs. The MagicMount Pro has 30% more holding power than its predecessor, and comes with 2 stylish interchangeable trim rings for a sleek streamlined finish. The additional trim rings make it possible for you to match, or contrast your mount with the color of your mobile device, or complement your vehicle's interior. To use the MagicMount Pro system, attach the ultra-thin Magic Plate to your device between your device and case, or behind the battery cover. Hover your device near MagicMount and it snaps securely in place. The MagicMount is 100% safe for mobile devices. The MagicMount Pro dash mount with automotive-grade adhesive stays put until you are ready to remove it. With 360-degree mounting flexibility, MagicMount Pro securely grips your device vertically or horizontally, and provides quick and easy access to your cable. The MagicMount Pro window dash mount equipped with SCOSCHE stick grip adheres tightly and securely to windows, dashes and textured surfaces. The MagicMount Pro vent mount is the great low-profile mount, which is the perfect on-the-go solution. It attaches effortlessly to virtually any vent. It is compact and lightweight, makes it easy to take with you when you travel, and doubles as a convenient kickstand. And the MagicMount Pro isn't just for your car, but it's also perfect for mounting your device in your kitchen, office, workshop, or even your backyard patio. There's a MagicMount Pro for just about any place, and any situation. There are also SCOSCHE's other great mounts, such as the MagicMount XL headrest, great for rear seat entertainment, or the MagicMount Power Bank, which is lightweight portable charging power that is available in Lightning and micro USB models. The link is provided in the description for more information or to order. This is Westcott Universal LED Mini Ring Light. Turn your phone, tablet, laptop, or desktop computer into a mini photo and video studio with this clip-on LED ring light. This compact light source is equipped with 36 daylight light-emitting diodes that are diffused for a soft, pristine output. The mini ring light features 3 levels of brightness, plus a strobe effect. This is the perfect accessory for capturing high-quality selfies, snaps, and videos for social media, teleconferencing, makeup touch-ups, and more. The mini ring light simply attaches onto your preferred device up to 0.6 inches deep with its integrated padded clip. With a built-in rechargeable lithium-ion battery, this accessory emits light for up to 30 minutes on one charge. It is rechargeable with the included USB charging cable. The Westcott 18 inches bicolor LED ring light is a great buy if you value quality lighting in the increasingly expensive world of photography gear. The link is provided in the description for more information or to order. This is the end of the video. Please like and share if you find this video useful, and press the subscribe button for more videos. Thank you for watching.